Hello everyone! Today is Friday and we were supposed to meet a friend, but she couldn't make it, so we came anyway because I already told Lara that we were coming to the pool, and that's what we're doing. Luna fell asleep. We just parked in a car park and Luna is asleep. I don't know if you can see that there. And Lara is being grumpy because she didn't want the camera on, so yeah. It's actually the first time I'm going to a pool with both of them on my own, so I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Hopefully good, because otherwise I don't know what I'm gonna do. But it's only for like few hours and then Ben finished work, so hopefully he will join us. Got home and the weirdest thing just happened. The car wouldn't start and we think it's the battery, but it did really weird things. So the lights were on, and in our car if you don't turn the lights on, the light doesn't turn on by themselves. So that was really weird, and I didn't leave anything on in the car, so it wasn't the radio or the lights or anything, and it just happened. It was really like strange, but yeah, we thought we were going to be stuck there. Thankfully the car started at the end. Ben was pushing it and I was trying to start it, and then we left it for a little bit and tried to turn it on again, and it turned on. Thank God for that, because we were really scared, like we would be stuck in Weymouth and we would not get home.
What are you saying? Come on, Dave.
Hello everyone! Today is Saturday. Saturday? Yeah, today is Saturday. And we are getting ready to go to the beach because the weather is not so bad today. It's a bit windy, but I think it's gonna be nice. We're gonna meet some friends and go to the beach, so preparing the picnic. And Ben and Lara went to the supermarket to get some more food for a picnic. And hello, her face is so cute. Well, that was strange. It's actually really windy, so I don't know how long we're gonna be in the beach, or if we're gonna be able to stay in the beach for long. But fingers crossed we can, because the sun comes out and then goes cloudy again and then sunny, and it's windy, so I don't know. Monday, and Luna's in a cramp if you hear it crying in the background because she's not sleeping well, so I think she's just tired, but we're gonna go to nursery in a minute, so hopefully she sleeps. I have to run some errands, so hopefully she's gonna sleep on the way and I can like do it in peace. I just got home with Luna. We've been running some errands and now I have to put all the shopping because we went food shopping as well. So I have to put all this shopping away. All that away. And I think I'm gonna finish the vlog here. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already and give this video a thumbs up if you do like it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!